Got a striped cat. And we got the whole family up here. There's a big octopus, another alligator. They're everywhere. But look, someone stole one. Gone. Funny.
It's beautiful out here today. I love it. It's
what a beautiful day.
And guess where we are?
We're in Amber Cove, Dominican Republic again.
It's pretty though.
Yeah. So anyway, so what we're going to do this morning is we're going to get off and we'll be right there in about 2 seconds when I tell you. All right. And we'll be looking at the ship from there.
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to head down and we'll see you in a few minutes. Or seconds.
Yeah.
All right. See you down there. All right. And just like that, we're looking where we were standing. Right up there. All right. We're going to head to shore. Don't forget it. Choose fun. All right. And we're going to walk all the way up there. And maybe go up there. Still making our way. Naturally into the gift shop. And there's a zippy. We're in the gift shop, which is nice and cold in here. Come buy my junk. And out the doors. This is how you get out to your little cabanas.
You probably can walk out there because there's probably a bar or a
Hola. ¿Cómo estás? No, you can come out here to the bar area. You just can't go no further than that because that's private. You gotta pay for those. You always gotta try a local beer. Yeah. This is in the very back. It's another little restaurant where they have beer, wine, food, and a volleyball court.
Back to the ship. We walked all around, sit down and watch the water for a while, but now I'm getting really hot. We're going back to the ship, and we'll probably wait about a half hour to eat lunch.
All right.
Sounds good?
Sounds good to me.
Sounds good.
All right, heading back. See you back on the Jeep.
It's going to be prime rib night and lobster, so let's go see what it's like.
She's gonna get an extra lobster.
I get mine. Yeah, you can have it. I don't really like them that much.
Oh, I do. Hey, we'll see you there. We'll bring that menu right to you right about now. Terry got a fruit plate, which is really dessert, as her appetizer. I got cream and mushroom soup and corn chowder. I got lobster. Terry got lobster and French fries.
You just put this one on yours, love.
Terry, the main course, she got the prime rib. And I got the salmon with a baked potato instead of sweet potatoes. Look. Thank you, ma'am. Alright, baby, it's that time.
It's time for our chocolate martini. We both just got out of the casino, and I finally redeemed myself. I won $150.
You did profit.
Profit.
And I probably won about $50. I was down 200 something. Come back.
Now I'm so happy I won.
Alright, anyway,
That
tomorrow,
thing is strong.
ski day tomorrow. You gonna make it? Alright, tomorrow's a ski day. And then it's home.
Yeah, I'll finish reading my book and sit out in the sun. Hopefully it'll be a beautiful day.
Yep. Alright, so
So nice.
kind of a slow night tonight. So it'll be a casino night for me.
That's where you want to go.
Yep. Alright,
Before
we
the
will
race.
see you tomorrow.
Party at 2 like this way.